Hey guys, Sajni here. Welcome to another video. So today I really wanted to share with you my space here, Nature's Nest, and I am so grateful for this beautiful space. Let me quickly give you the tour of this surrounding here, so that you can enjoy and hear the beautiful birds singing. So to share with you truly is, one of the most beautiful aspects of manifestation is, and one of the biggest tools that people undermine is being with nature, living by the laws of nature. And I think that is one of the things that we have forgotten in today's day and age. Is what we see is we believe in taking action, we believe in matter, we believe in the manifest. We just look at the outer cause and make that cause and have the effect here. So whatever we see outside, we make that the cause, and we have the effect within. So we've reversed the cycle. Whereas the law of nature is that we have to learn to now engineer in the correct way. That is, as within, so without. The cause is here, right? So that's why I think being amidst nature and being amidst being in the natural cycle of living, as within so without, is one of the biggest manifestation tool that I use, which helped me get to where I am today, in a peaceful internal state, as well as whatever internal state you have, you manifest it externally. It's never the other way around. The more closer to nature we stay with, the more calmer we become, and the more calmer and the more still we can become, the more we are able to harness the power of the manifestation, because the mind is like a monkey. So the more still the monkey becomes, the more we're able to focus on our manifestation. So I think the key number one that I learned in my manifestation journey is to be able to still the mind. So thank you so much for joining in, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like what I share, if you resonate with it, do leave me a comment, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon. So thank you, peace, and namaste.